I just asked this lady about the show here, and what'd you say?
Carlisle is the biggest Corvette show in America.
All right, and what's your name?
My name's Ruth.
Hi, Ruth.
Hi.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll go over and get some pictures.
Have a good show.
Yep, thank you. So I'm here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We're going to be doing cars today. I know we've done trucks a few weeks ago, and I'm not going to inundate you people with car shows one after another, but this is special. This is Corvettes. Everybody loves Corvettes. So today we're going to be photographing Corvettes and things to do with Corvettes. So come along. I see an old one. All these new Corvettes, and I'm attracted to the old ones. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I think these scallops is what makes this Corvette. I'm not sure if that's the proper name for it. If you know better, just write in the description and tell me what these white cutouts are called. I think they're called scallops, but let me know.
Flag.
The flag.
We're making a flag of the United States flag with cars.
Awesome. So that's why the red ones are over there and the blue ones over here.
They're lining them up right now.
Where's that going to be?
It's right over the hill.
What they're doing, they're creating a red, white, and blue flag out here in the yard or in the field, and they're lining up the Corvettes to illustrate that. So here's a line of white, line of blue, and a line of red. They've got a bucket truck here. I'm assuming that's where the photographs are going to be taken. It's a little dangerous to use a drone out here with all these expensive cars because they can fall out of the sky and do some damage. So let's check it out.
Yeah, I will.
The heart of any car is its engine. Here we got engines. Look at this paint job, folks. This is awesome. Here at Enchain Designs, and just met some new YouTubers I haven't met before. Jason, is it?
Yes, sir. Jason, front seat driver.
Front seat driver from
Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas. There you go, folks. And are you a YouTuber?
I am. My name's Justin.
Justin?
Horsepower Obsessed.
Horsepower Obsessed. Check them out, folks. And over here we've got
Brink of Speed, Mike.
Brink of Speed.
What's up, guys?
He does a YouTube channel on cars.
That's right. All about speed.
All about speed. And we got
Seek on a Speed 252.
There you go, folks. Check them out. This might not turn out to be anything but lines and compositions. Oh, I see another one right here. Look at the color in this rope here. Let's see if I can get a shot here. I'm shooting with a 17 to 35 lens, pretty wide. The depth of focus is the key here. You got to experiment and make sure what's in focus is what you want in focus. And if you see my truck video, you saw my fascination with doors. Here are Corvette doors. What year are these on? 68, 1968. Paul is babysitting his booth for a friend of his. But Paul, if somebody wanted to buy a door for a what year? 1968 Corvette, they can contact
Paul Nelson, 320-212-9178.
There you go. This green, that's a color you don't see very often on a Corvette. This original Marina blue, looks green to me. Needs paint, original motor. I don't know how many of you remember, but this is what all gas stations looked like when I was growing up back in the 50s and 60s. This was it. You didn't pump your own gas back then. Somebody came out from the gas station and pumped it for you. They would always ask, check the oil, sir? Interesting booth. They're making clocks out of valve covers. Amy's selling the smallest
World's smallest vacuum.
say it again.
The world's smallest vacuum.
Show us what you got.
No batteries, no electric, simple, easy rotating brush is what we have here. All you're gonna do is go over top of any type of dirt and debris. Dog hair, cat hair, nuts, bolts, rocks, cookies, crackers, you name it. You flip it over.
You flip it over.
You pop it open.
You pop it open.
And there you have it.
And there you have it.
You dump the dirt into the trash. You put your lid back on. You shut it. This is the world's smallest vacuum with the lint brush on the other side. Bingo, bango.
And that's what you call U.S. marketing.
There you have it.
Seems like every time I come to a car or truck show, there's one of these sitting in the crowd somewhere. A wreck that's waiting to be restored. So here we go. Well, that about wraps it up today for the Carlisle Corvette show. And I'll go home and process some images and see what we got. So thanks for coming along. If you like what you see, you want to see some more videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you next video. Thank you.